Okay, so this is just the same thing that we covered yesterday. Just another day of multiplying binomials. There are two different methods that you can choose from. You can either do the box method, which that's more if you're a visual person and need a little bit more organization, or the FOIL method, which takes a lot more mental concentration. So make sure you really know what FOIL stands for. First terms, outer terms, inner terms, last terms. So make sure you really know the difference between those. So I'm just going to do a mix like I did yesterday. So I'm going to go back and forth. Okay, so I'm going to start with the box method. Or we started with the FOIL method yesterday, so let's just keep with that. So the FOIL method for number one. First, x times x is x squared. Outer, x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Inner, 7 times x is positive 7x. And last, 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. If I do it correctly, my middle two terms should be like terms. So x squared, negative 3x plus 7x is positive 4x. And then bring down minus 21. Okay, when you see this particular example, remember, think of it like if I were to do 4 squared. 4 squared doesn't mean 4 times 2, it means 4 times itself twice. Or if I were to do 12 squared, that means 12 times itself twice. So in this particular case, it's not just x plus 5, it's x plus 5 times x plus 5, okay? They're never going to expand it like this. They're going to write it in condensed form. So I'm going to use the box method here. Not that the FOIL method is wrong, I'm just going to go back and forth. So x plus 5, x plus 5. So this box means x times x, which is x squared. This box, 5 times x is 5x. This box, x times 5 is 5x. And this box, 5 times 5 is 25. So if you do this correctly, your diagonals are your like terms. So x squared, 5x plus 5x is positive 10x. And then this is positive 25. Okay, back to the FOIL method using this problem. First, 2x times x is 2x squared. Outer, 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Inner, 9 times x is positive 9x. And last, 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. Your middle two terms should be your like terms. So 2x squared, negative 4x plus 9x is positive 5x. And then minus 18. Okay, another box method example. Okay, so I have 8x minus 3 and then negative 3x minus 1. So 8x times negative 3x is negative 24x squared. Negative 3 times negative 3x is positive 9x. 8x times negative 1 is negative 8x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. If I did it correctly, my like terms are the middle or the diagonals. So positive 9x minus 8x is positive 1x, and then plus 3. Another FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last. So x times x is x squared. Outer, x times 5 is positive 5x. 2 times x is plus 2x, and last 2 times 5 is plus 10. I'm going to, the middle two terms are my like terms, so 5x plus 2x is 7x, and plus 10 at the end. Okay, box method on here. So I have 3a plus b, and then a minus 2b. 3a times a is 3a squared. B times a is ab. 3a times negative 2b is negative 6ab, and b times negative 2b is negative 2b squared. So my diagonals are both ab, so 3a squared, ab times negative 6a, or not times, sorry, 1ab minus 6ab is negative 5ab. And then minus 2b squared. So again, it's whichever method you find the easiest and simplest way that makes sense to you.